Hey guys, we're going to go over building a Murphy door order and all the options that are available. Let's start with a simple single flush mount door. Here we can see the specifications for the base model. These are the default specs unless we customize the order to meet our needs. Starting with the wood, we have two basic options, paint grade and veneer. The paint grade doors come unfinished or in a variety of paint colors that we continually update to match current trends. The veneer options come in several styles such as oak, maple, cherry, etc., and each veneer can be stained with a variety of finishes from a more natural lighter stain to a darker finish. Next, we select our door width. If you haven't watched our video on measuring the dimensions for your Murphy door, I suggest you do that now. All of our doors are made to order and we don't offer refunds for doors that do not fit because of mistaken measurements. After door width, we choose door height. We'll stick with a standard 8-inch tall door. Our cabinets come with a standard 8¼ inch depth, but we do offer 5 or 6-inch deep cabinets depending on the swing direction, as well as 12-inch deep cabinets. Keep in mind that a deeper cabinet will require more clearance behind the door for an in-swing door, and it will create a more narrow passage with an outswing door. Next, we choose our swing direction, in or out, and we choose which side the hinge is on, left or right. When you're facing the cabinet, an in-swing door will push inward away from you, while an outswing door will pull toward you to reveal the doorway. So, make your choice based on whether you want to push your door inward or pull the door outward. Jamb depth is referring to the depth of a jamb that goes around your door and will be secured to your doorway's rough opening. Standard jamb depth is 4 9/16 inches to match the 2x4s that are used to frame most doorways. But for outswing doors, we do offer a deeper jamb in a 6 9/16 inch depth or other custom sizes as needed. We offer upper and lower cabinet doors, and if we choose both, you'll see that we can select different styles for each, including slab, paneled, and glass. And we have multiple hardware options as well. You can choose flat and fluted casings to go around your door once it's installed. If your Murphy door leads to another room, you can also add rear casings to the door to complete the finished look on both sides. Our doors come standard with 4 total shelves, 1 fixed and 3 adjustable. And here you can add extra adjustable shelves. With this option, you can add crown molding to the top of the door. We currently offer 2 different types of locking systems, key locks and magnetic locks. Be aware that some assembly is required for both systems. You can find out more about the procedure on our customer service webpage or by contacting our customer service team. If you're in an extra hurry to receive your Murphy door, we offer 2 different rush options. Our production lead times vary depending on the door finish and what custom options have been selected. Likewise, rush orders are processed within a window depending on your specifications. Well guys, thank you for joining me today. Some of our other doors, such as our Home Solutions line, have a few extra options, but hopefully this answers most of your questions. If you still have any questions about ordering a Murphy door, please reach out to our awesome customer service team. In the meantime, I hope you have a great day.